kilometres per hour. They use their speed as a primary tool in their hunting practices. Coupled with the razor-sharp talon on the back of their foot, they can take down prey much larger than themselves. A falcon this size would be used in the Middle Ages to hunt prey as large as a swan or a goose. Falconry to the medieval people was a very important part of noble life. Falconry was used not only for hunting, but also as a sport for noble people. To the medieval falconer, a bird like this would hold great value financially. A bird like this would be worth several years of a noble person's income. Tens of thousands of gold pieces. Now in the Middle Ages, the falconers would spend their whole lives training with their birds. Very much like what you see us doing here today. The purpose is, of course, to be able to take this bird out and use her in the wild to hunt her on ducks, swans, or any other bird that we'd like to bring back to the noble table. Now in falconry as a sport, the noble people would fly their birds and do shows like this and would actually score each other on how well their birds perform. Some of the kings of England and France, some of the most famous people ever to have lived, practiced falconry as a pastime. Just to name a few, Lionheart, King Henry VIII, and King Louis XVI of France were all